Shopify AI website builder. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can use its amazing AI infused website builder to create yourself an absolutely amazing website. Okay, and it could be any website ranging from a blog to an e-commerce store to maybe a rent-a-store, whatever you want, you can do it using Shopify, and we're going to be talking about it in great depth. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the whole insight of how you're going to do this. So let's start off. So to start things off, you're going to come over to shopify.com. And once you're in shopify.com, we're going to create an account to actually create our store. So to create an account, you're simply going to click on start free trial. They're not going to ask any credit card, anything, there's no payment required. It's a free account that you're going to get for 3 days. And in those 3 days, you can create an amazing store. Okay. So obviously to skip through the formalities, it's going to ask you all these things. I'm just starting, which of these best describes you. I'm selling online and all. Now, these aren't really compulsory, so you can skip all of these. It doesn't really matter. And once you do that, you're going to choose where your business is located. And once we scour through all of that, it says create a Shopify account. So you can sign up with, your Google, your Facebook, your Apple. I'm going to simply sign up with my email and just go ahead and add an email for yourself. And then you are going to add a password. So once you add a password from here, you're simply going to go ahead and click on create Shopify account and we're going to be good to go. So here it takes you into the store conversion. It takes you into the store creation, and trust me, it works in a charm. It works really quickly, really fast. And the AI perspective of this is that it gives you a smothering number of templates to choose from. And in those templates, you can choose any type of design that you want to go with. And the best part about all of that is that you get full freedom of creating any type of thing you require. Now, if you want to create a blog website, then obviously you're going to want to add blog posts. If you want to create an e-commerce website, you're going to add products. And in this video's case, I'm going to create an e-commerce website. Okay. So to start things off, you're going to come over to a dashboard like this. Okay. When you start off, it's going to look a bit complicated, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it looks. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to walk you through everything. So here's your dashboard. And on the left-hand side are your tools that you're going to use. So first of all, the tool number one that we're going to want to go to is online store down here in sales channel. And once you go into your online store, basically over here, what you're going to get is your themes for Shopify. Okay. And in these themes, these are basically templates that we're going to be using to create a foundation for what we're going to make our store on. So down here, you have themes. Now, you already have a default theme that they've added for you. It's called the Dawn theme, but you can obviously change it to any other recurring theme that you want. They have great free themes to choose from: Spotlight, Refresh, Craft, Sense. You can go with any of these themes and they're going to, create a pretty overall good design for you. And let me show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go and view on online store. And right now it's a pretty basic design with very basic overview. So it looks like this. Now, how are you going to actually start working with this? So to start things off, you're simply going to click on customize over here and it takes you into the customization of your actual store. So once we come into the customization of our actual store, let's first of all start designing the, essentials and the necessities. So let's first design our welcome bar. So here's our welcome bar, which actually welcomes people. And if you want to design some aspect of your store, you're simply going to click over it. And as you can see, it opens up the designer on the right-hand side over here. So you can actually go ahead and design this and add different widgets in it. So first of all, there's the color scheme. So let's say I want to, make it into a blue color scheme. That's how it looks. And, it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty good. And moving on, you can add, a different type of text into this. And so, in your announcement bar, you can go ahead and auto rotate your announcements as well. So basically these announcements keep on rotating against the slider bar over here. You can change different themes in this as well by adding custom CSS and all. So, once you've established your welcome bar, then we're going to come over to our header. And in our header, obviously you have your basic my store widget and, this is the name of your store basically. So how are you going to edit all of that? First of all, you're going to choose, where is your desktop logo position going to be? You could keep it like this. This is how your header can be. You could keep it in the top left like this. You can keep it middle left like this and the middle center like this. So the most used ones are obviously middle left and top center. So you can use any one of these. I'm going to go with middle left, which is the basic default one. And we're going to, first of all, go ahead and add a actual main menu. So you can change your actual menu by replacing it with a footer menu of some kind if you want to. And once you've done that, You can change the color scheme of the whole menu as well. So let's say I want to make it into a dark color scheme, and that looks pretty nice, doesn't it? So once you've set all of that for yourself and you have your header and welcome bar designed, then you come to your main section page, which, gives people an overall idea of what your page is about, what your page constitutes. So here I'm going to go ahead and add my brand logo, what my brand is going to be constituting. So we're going to click on first image and we're going to click on upload image. So once you click on upload image, over here you can see that it opens up your desktop, and I'm here in my downloads, so I'm just going to add a basic image that I have, the Nike logo. Okay, this is obviously the Nike logo, but you can add your very own logo if you want to. I'm adding the Nike logo just to give you an example of how, easy it is to add your very own logos. Obviously, you're going to make sure that the logo is of good quality, but you get the basic gist of it. This is how you add logos. Then you can, write any type of text over here, like get new stock, and then you have your CTA call to action button down here where it says shop all. Now down here is where you're going to start adding your products. Okay, this is where, the actual e-commerce stuff comes in. So to add our products, first of all, you're going to save the bit of the story that you've created, and we're going to come back here. And to add products, you're going to go into the product section over here, and you're actually going to click on add product and add your very own corresponding product. So let's say I'm going to add a black sweater. So I'm going to add black long sleeve sweater. And then you can add a whole description about the product, what the product is, what product constitutes. And the most important part is adding the media of the product. So let's say I have this media over here of the black sweater. So I'm going to keep it here. Then you're going to add the pricings for this. So let's say I'm going to keep this. Then there's the compare at price, that price that they keep to show you that it's on a sale. So you can keep that. Then, there's different settings that you can go on with. So I'm going to go with the shop location, and I'm going to say, okay, 78 of it is in stock, and you can actually get the option to continue selling this when it's out of stock. So when people actually generate an order, you can go ahead and use it to, work things out for yourself. So now over here, you're going to go ahead and add the kg of it. Then you can also add variants of this product. And once you've done all of that, you're going to click on save. So that adds the first product into your store, right? So we're going to come back to our online store over here to see if the product got added, because it automatically gets added into your featured product. So let's go back up into customize. And once you go back, there you go. So you have your whole product over here. It's on sale. So let's click on the product and let's see how the product page looks. So this is your product page. And down here, you're going to get the description for your whole product. You have the buy it now and everything. So you can also see what the buy it now page looks like. If someone were to click on buy it now, they're going to be taken to the whole page, where they're going to buy it. You can also add in shipping, estimated taxes for yourself and all. And that's basically the general idea. Also, please make sure to edit it on the mobile section as well, because obviously this is only editing in the desktop section, but for people who access your store through mobile devices or maybe their iPad or tablets, you're going to want to, mess around with all of that. So this is the basic idea of how you're going to create an amazing online store or any type of website using the Shopify's website builder. And if I were to see how my online store looks, let's go and click on view our online store. There's the image that we added. Here's our product. We're going to click on this to see how it looks. And look at that. So black long sleeve sweater. You get all the essential necessary details for it. And once you get all of that, you're simply going to click on, let's say, buy it now. And once you click on buy it now, you can see that you're taken to the actual checkout page. So that is how you can use Shopify to create an amazing looking website. And you saw that I just created a basic template of a website in about 4 to 5 minutes. And this is how you're going to use Shopify's AI website builder as well to create yourself an amazing looking website of any type that you want. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.